Welcome to another Infrascale how-to video. Today we're going to be giving you an overview of the dashboard and what your first steps will be as you newly enter the Infrascale Dashboard. The Infrascale Dashboard is where you can monitor and manage all of your Infrascale cloud backup accounts, allotments, and usages, as well as your Infrascale disaster recovery. What you'll also notice throughout the dashboard is upon first visit to different pages or when we make updates, you'll have a notification here at the bottom right where you can click and it'll show you different how-to videos for what we've updated or just an overview of that page. To find that information again, you can either click that button or go to our help menu where you'll find our knowledge base, an option to chat with a live support representative, or submit a ticket through support. Additionally, for your sales and marketing staff, you'll find our Partner Resource Center filled with different use cases, product sheets that are both Infrascale branded and in open formats so that your team can co-brand them, as well as different videos. So click here in the Sales Tools to get a look at the different sheets that are available in open formats, EPS for Adobe Illustrator, or just your PDFs. Once you're in the dashboard and you're ready to start onboarding new customers, the first thing you want to do is create the proper accounts. The hierarchy is this. You, the partner, are either a distributor, meaning you have different resellers beneath you, or you are a reseller yourself. As a reseller, you would create a company account under which you would define the allotment that that company has to find the users or devices. Once the company account is created, you would start creating backup accounts. The backup account credentials are what you would actually use with the backup software to run online backups. To get an appliance registered into your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is during the setup process for the Infrascale Disaster Recovery appliance, you'll enter your dashboard credentials. Creating a backup account one by one is certainly an option, but for mass deployment, you're going to want to come over to the Apps section to create a custom MSI. In the custom MSI settings, you'll have the ability to, one, save the MSI for later use. You can define a default backup policy to use. So let's say you want to have a general laptop fleet policy that protects all Microsoft Office type files. You can create that policy here by going to View or Edit Policies, or select one that's already been created. You can also have the MSI automatically create accounts and provision an allotment of cloud backup space based on the Active Directory settings. Once you're done, you'd be able to generate the MSI, you would download and use that with your group policy object within Active Directory. The next thing you'd want to do is set up your monitoring settings. The monitoring system lets you know what's currently happening and then also alerts you to any warnings or errors during the backup process. To configure these warnings, you go into either Monitoring and click the Settings, or go to the Settings tab and go to Monitoring directly from there. The first report is going to be a general report of everything that's happening. This is better for a company level report. The report for ongoing monitoring and management would be the option to send errors and warnings. This can be sent to an email address that would automatically create support tickets in your system, or if you have ConnectWise, you can go to our Settings section and then plug this directly into your ConnectWise ticketing system. The other option would be to plug this into a URL where our monitoring system will write directly, and then your team could parse that out for more advanced workflows. Some of the other alerts that aren't necessarily having to do with a defined error or warning would be things like your accounts are nearing or over quota, and there has been an anomaly in the behavior of a particular device. So here you can set your threshold for the points at which you'd like to be detected for anomalies. This is helpful for detecting files that maybe shouldn't be backed up, so external hard drives that are plugged in by users maybe shouldn't have, or more importantly, to define when there's potentially a case of malware making many changes on a user's machine without them knowing. Once you have your accounts and your monitoring settings, then you're free to start exploring some more of the advanced functionality in the dashboard. Things like going to device level management for specific policy enhancement, going to the Appliances tab and managing your appliances from there, and so on. Again, for more help, click over the Help menu and visit our knowledge base or chat with a live representative, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks, and welcome to the team.